Suno AI. Have you ever wanted to create your own song but felt held back because you do not play an instrument or know music theory? What if a tool could turn your ideas into a full track with vocals, lyrics, and melody? No studio, no expensive software, no experience required. That is exactly what Suno AI does. It is an advanced AI-powered music creation platform that takes a simple text prompt or audio clip and turns it into an original song. You can describe the mood, genre, or theme you want, like a calm acoustic ballad about hope or an upbeat electronic dance track for summer, and Suno generates the entire piece for you. The platform does more than just compose. It can create lyrics from scratch or let you upload your own words for a personal touch. You can choose from multiple music styles, including pop, rock, jazz, EDM, hip-hop, and classical. Suno even analyzes uploaded audio clips, transforming them into polished songs. One of its most impressive features is real-time collaboration. Integrated with platforms like Discord, Suno allows you to work with others, share ideas instantly, and refine your song together. It also offers advanced editing options like splitting a song into vocal and instrumental stems or applying style transfer to completely change a track's vibe. Founded in Cambridge, Massachusetts by former Kensho employees, Suno AI launched globally in December 2023 with support from Microsoft. It is available as both a web app and a mobile app, offering a free plan and subscriptions for premium features. Suno AI is not just a tool for professional musicians. It is for anyone who has ever had a melody in their head or a lyric in their heart, but lacked the technical skills to bring it to life. Call to action. Stop letting your music ideas fade away. Try Suno AI today and turn your thoughts into real songs that you can share with the world.